Welcome to this beginner's guide to financial markets trading. If you've ever been curious about how financial markets work and how you can potentially profit from them, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the basics of financial markets trading, including the different types of financial instruments, the role of market participants, and the different types of trading strategies. We'll also discuss the importance of risk management and how to approach trading with a disciplined mindset. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience in financial markets trading, this video will provide valuable insights that will help you understand the key concepts and principles of this exciting field. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the fascinating world of financial markets trading. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation that will help you on your journey to becoming a successful trader. Financial markets trading is the art of buying and selling financial assets, such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities, in order to make a profit. It's an exciting and dynamic field that has the potential to generate high returns for those who know how to play the game. The financial markets are complex and ever-changing. There are many different factors that can influence the price of an asset, such as political events, economic indicators, and even natural disasters. To be successful in trading, you need to have a deep understanding of these factors and how they impact the market. The stock market is one of the most well-known financial markets. It's where companies go to raise capital by selling shares of their company to investors. When you buy a share of a company, you become a part owner of that company and are entitled to a portion of its profits. Trading desks are where traders buy and sell financial assets. These desks can be found at investment banks, hedge funds, and other financial institutions. Traders use a variety of tools and techniques to analyze market data and make informed trading decisions. Another popular financial market is the Forex market. This is where currencies are bought and sold. Traders can make money by taking advantage of changes in exchange rates between different currencies. Commodity markets are where raw materials, such as oil, gold, and agricultural products, are bought and sold. These markets are often influenced by global supply and demand, as well as geopolitical events. Financial markets trading can be a lucrative career for those who are willing to put in the time and effort to learn the ins and outs of the market. While there is always risk involved, with the right knowledge and strategies, you can potentially reap great rewards.